Hey everyone, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS Secretary. It's the 4th of July, so I want to talk about independence and particularly health independence. I always like to say that a healthy person has 1,000 dreams, but a sick person has only one. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness doesn't mean very much if you're too sick to enjoy it. I'm sorry to say that for the last 6 decades, Americans have gotten sicker and sicker. We are now the sickest country on earth. Life expectancy has declined precipitously. Liberty has vanished for people who are mired in serious chronic illnesses. And an epidemic of addiction and mental illness has hobbled the pursuit of happiness. As ultra-processed food took over our diets and pharmaceutical profits corrupted our healthcare system, this country has lost the most basic of all freedoms, the freedom that comes from being healthy. Right now, there's a new American revolution underway to change all that. We've just gotten started here at HHS to rebuild a food and medical system that are worthy of your trust. And I'm inviting you to join the revolution too by making healthy choices for you and your family. Happy Independence Day, everyone.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.